Hello everyone, welcome to Taste of Tang. It's Tang Yun. Today, let's make green bean jelly. This is green bean jelly, but actually it's very easy to make it in your kitchen. In China, we call it liang fer. It's a very popular appetizer in hot summer. The only ingredient we use is green bean starch. You can buy it in some Korean supermarket. So let's get started. Hot.好，188。这是糖，这是盐，这是香菜。最后是辣椒油。Okay, our green bean jelly is done now. It looks very beautiful and tastes very good. It's a little bit smoothie, soft and cold. Very delicious. Hope you like our recipe today. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it now. I'd like to see you in my next video. Bye!